One day, when I was walking home from school, I noticed a grasshopper on the sidewalk. I picked up the little guy and put him in my insect jar to bring home. When I got home, I put him next to all the other bugs I had recently found. I had a bee, an ant, a worm, a fly, and now a grasshopper. I began to look at all my bugs when I began to wonder, what is an insect? Is my collection all insects? I began to do some research. I borrowed a microscope from my friend Ronnie. I put each bug underneath of the microscope to get a better look at each one. I noticed that almost all my bugs had 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Except for the worm. So I ate it. I then had 4 bugs left and still had to figure out what makes a bug an insect. So I went to the library to find out more information. After reading, I found out that insects have 3 distinct body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Insects also lack a backbone. They have jointed legs and an exoskeleton. I then labeled my jar the insect jar and began to look for other bugs that had the same description. I wanted to find every insect that there was in the world, so I checked out a book that had all the different insects. Turns out there are 900,000 different kinds of insects. Who wants to help me find them all?